Okay, so I'm in my 77 Ford pickup I've got for sale. Gonna go ahead and test the suspension here. I'm just gonna drive up over this curb. And, no problem. Just go ahead, put it in reverse, come back down, and bump, bump. Oh, there we go. And go ahead, sticker and drive. See if we can give it some beans. Then we'll come down onto this road here, and we'll go ahead down frontage road and give it some harsh maneuvering. Okay. Got nobody coming this way. Want to make sure that we're being safe. Get up to speed. Okay, and then woo! You're probably wondering what I'm doing. Woo! Nobody behind me, so we're gonna go ahead and slam on the brakes. Okay. Second gear, third gear. Temperature gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, fuel gauge works, speedometer works, and this is even accurate. Go ahead and flip around right here. Okay. Got the wheel pinned. Throttle position works as well, so the transmission shifts differently when you floor it. Anyways, this is my 1979 Ford truck I've got for sale, braking and suspension video.